Welcome back, Warriors. Today is Earth Day. It is also Monday, the 22nd of April, 2019. Hopefully everyone had a nice, relaxing, fantastic spring break. Hard to believe we have 5 weeks of school left, a total of 25 days, and we are going to be busy during those 25 days. Just a reminder, next Wednesday and Thursday, which is the 1st and 2nd of May, we will have our state testing for math. So we've got 7 days of school to finish up preparing for that. In math, our homework for this evening is an Edulastic assignment on our Google Classroom called Air Prep Number 1 that is due Tuesday. You must turn in notebook paper tomorrow to get credit, and that's got to have all of your work on it. In science, we have an Earth Day poster where, remember, you're going through and you're coloring it, and you have to list 3 items on each of the boxes that are there. And on the back side of that paper, there is an extra credit opportunity. In social studies, we need to do Atlas worksheet number 34, both the front and the back. We got a jump start on this in class today, so hopefully you used your time wisely. In language arts, there is no homework. And in literature, all right, just a reminder, error points are due on May 17th, and then we have the Dust Bowl Nightmare / Meet Karen Hesse questions that are on Google Classroom. Once again, we had about 20 minutes in class today to work on that, so hopefully most of you were able to get that done. Also, check out today our Malabar Farm Behavior Incentive Program. This is something that we went through and we talked about in class and also handed out sheets to the students. So check that out, and we want to make sure that we are on our best behavior so that we are able to earn the incentive of going to Malabar Farm. That's it for today. Have a great Monday.